Hi there, I'm Dr. Katrina Ferguson, the president and founder of the Fig Publishing Company. And for the last 13 years, whenever I have thought about doing a book project, the first person that I call is Ryan C Greene of Greenhouse Media. Ryan's creativity, his industry knowledge, his mentorship has helped Fig Publishing put out some of the most prolific anthology projects ever, literally topping the charts of Amazon bestseller status, having sold those copies all around the world, life-changing, life-shifting, life-impacting products that have been a blessing to the masses. So if you're ever considering a company to consult with in terms of releasing any book project, you definitely want to get Ryan Greene and Greenhouse Media on your team.